How to fix download or installation issues on Zedge. First of all, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connections can prevent the Zedge app from downloading or installing properly. Next, ensure your device has enough storage space to install the app. If your storage is full, clear some space to make room for the installation. If you face problems downloading or installing Zedge from the Play Store, try restarting your device and then attempt the download again. Make sure your device software is up to date, as outdated system software can cause installation issues. Clear the cache and data of the Play Store or App Store by going to your device settings, then Apps, selecting Google Play Store or App Store, navigating to Storage, and tapping on Clear Cache and Clear Data. If the problem continues, try uninstalling any previous partial installation of Zedge or conflicting apps. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. As a last resort, you can reset app preferences in your device settings or perform a factory reset after backing up your data. Now you know how to fix Zedge app download or installation issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.